Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can increase likes on Instagram, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is first of all access your Instagram and make sure if your account is private or not. So in case if your account is private, the thing is only limited people as of you would let the people follow you, accept the request. They have the access to your account's post and whatever you like to engage with, right? So for that you have to turn it to public. For that, tap on three horizontal line top right, go to settings and privacy, scroll, tap on account privacy, and simply make your account public. So more people have access to your account and they can simply come and check your account out. If they like you, they can follow and they can get your posts and reels access and they can like it. That will attract more audience accordingly. For that as well, you can tap on three horizontal line, go to settings and privacy, and choose to turn your account into a professional account. Go ahead, tap on this account type and tools, switch to professional. Once you have switched to your professional account, you will be able to access more tools in statistic reports regarding your account's growth and etc. So for that, you can simply go ahead, skip it, and completely turn your account to professional. Once you go to this three horizontal line again, access the settings and privacy. Now you will find business tools and controls. For you to get more engagement and more engagement and get more likes to your post accordingly. So that is some of the factors to make sure of. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.